It's Christmas time here at the Bellagio Conservatory.
So have you ever wondered how the Bellagio Conservatory transforms for the holidays? Well, it starts with the teardown of the previous display. Yup, every flower, light, and structure is carefully removed. Then the magic begins. Crews work around the clock, installing breathtaking decorations, towering trees, and thousands of fresh flowers. Just like that, the Bellagio Conservatory is ready to wow visitors with its stunning holiday masterpiece. Stay tuned for the reveal.
All right, so today we're on an adventure here in a winter wonderland. 'Twas the night before Christmas here at the Bellagio Conservatory. So come on with me. Let's check this place out and see what new things they've put up for the holiday. Now, one of the first things you're gonna see is a giant sleigh. It is enormous. It's pulled by two giant reindeer here at the front. They're just completely amazing. You can't even believe how huge they are. Like, they're twice as tall as me. So over here, you got the drummer boy bear, and he is just enormous as well, almost all the way up to the ceiling, with the huge drumsticks in his paws, giant feet, surrounded by Christmas decorations and Christmas trees and all of the Christmas flowers. It's just a beautiful sight. It's so realistic looking. They have a giant fireplace with stockings hanging from this fireplace. Amazing. And then a giant toy horse. Then over here, we have another drum set with a nutcracker and looks like a dreidel. And over here you have a giant carousel, one enormous Christmas tree, and a gingerbread house.
There is so much detail to see on this gingerbread house. It is just simply amazing.
So every season they change these up, and then they also do it for the holidays. So obviously this one is for Christmas, and it's so beautiful. Just Christmas trees everywhere. There's a train that's going around the big giant tree in the front here, and they have a camera right here that can show you the train and where the train's going. It's pretty crazy stuff, but completely taken over by the holidays here. So you can see like the tree, you can see the carousel for the horses, and more Christmas trees. And you can see the train tracks for the train. There's just a lot of cool stuff going on here at the Bellagio Conservatory. So you really should come on out here and check it out. If you're in town, definitely come and check it out. You really don't want to miss it. It's something else on film, but man, when you see it in person, it's just unbelievable. You can't believe how much effort goes into this in order to make it like this every time.
If you have children, bring them here. They're going to love it. Just look at this giant bear. We were here very early, so there was a smaller crowd. But if you have children or you don't want to deal with larger crowds, definitely come earlier in the morning, like 7 or 8 o'clock.
All right, guys, so that's the Christmas display here at the Bellagio Conservatory. Please come on out and visit. But in the meantime, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell notification so you're notified when new videos come out, and like the video. And don't forget, leave us a comment below. Tell us what your favorite part of this display was. There's so much here that's just amazing. So yeah, let us know in the comments below. And please, when you're done watching, watch this video up here next.